Hey everyone, so are you typing something and suddenly Grammarly stops showing suggestions? Maybe the red or blue correction lines don't appear anymore, or Grammarly just sits there doing nothing. Yeah, that can be pretty frustrating when you're relying on it to check your writing. In this video, I'll show you several simple ways to fix Grammarly not showing suggestions. Most of these fixes take just a few minutes and should get Grammarly working again. All right, first, try refreshing the web page where you're writing. Sometimes Grammarly doesn't load properly when a page first opens. Just reload the page and wait a few seconds for Grammarly to scan the text again. Next, make sure Grammarly is actually enabled in your browser. Open your browser's extension menu and check if the Grammarly extension is turned on. If it's disabled, simply enable it again. When Grammarly is active on a page, you'll usually see a small Grammarly icon in the text editor or corner of the writing box. If that icon isn't visible, it may mean the website doesn't allow Grammarly or the extension didn't load properly. If suggestions still aren't appearing, try clearing your browser cache. Over time, cached data can cause extensions to behave incorrectly. Clearing the cache forces the browser to reload everything fresh. Another common fix is updating or reinstalling the Grammarly extension. Sometimes browser updates create compatibility issues, and reinstalling the extension resets it completely. One more thing to keep in mind. Grammarly may not work in certain text fields or websites. If suggestions aren't appearing, try copying your text into a supported editor like Google Docs or the Grammarly web editor to see if the suggestions appear there, and that's it. In most cases, refreshing the page, enabling the extension, or reinstalling Grammarly will bring the suggestions back. If this guide helped you solve the problem, feel free to check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.